Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop Pro 7 Wi-Fi Mesh System Setup. Unbox and position your units. Unbox your Linksys Velop Pro 7 units. Download the Linksys app. Plug the Ethernet cable from your modem into the WAN, or Internet, port on the main Velop node. Connect the power adapter to the main node and plug it into an electrical outlet. Power up. Wait for the node to fully power up. This usually takes a few minutes. The light on the node will indicate its status. Refer to the user manual for specific light signals. Download the Linksys app. Download the Linksys app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Create a Linksys account. Open the Linksys app and sign up for a Linksys account or log in if you already have one. Update firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available through the app and apply them to ensure your network runs smoothly with the latest features and security patches. Check connectivity. Ensure all nodes are properly connected and have a good signal strength. The app usually provides a way to check the status and adjust node placement if needed. Thank you for watching.